Hello, here's an AI automation agent built for customer and clients, whereby the customer submits a form requesting for what they need. The AI agent will generate a reply, then it will send it to a mail or and automatically reply. So let's test this and see how it's working. So let's execute. Okay, here I'll put my name. Let me just put Joseph. Then my email, then put Joseph 3 at gmail.com. So here let me just put hello, I need a computer. So now let me submit. Okay, I've submit. We can see the work here. So then the next thing to the message. Then let's see if it's working. Let's head on straight to our mail. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet. Here we should see. Okay, you see there, Joseph, thank you for reaching out to us. Then let's see our mail. Maybe we'll also receive the mail. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, thank you for contacting. So this is how it will work. Thank you.